It's time to delete all those ugly selfies you have and make room for the new Renderforest app. The long-awaited Renderforest Android app is now available on the Google Play Store for Android users, just like the Apple iOS users. Want to make professional-looking videos on your phone? Well, now the wait is over. Create powerful and impressive videos on your phone using the Renderforest app. Just pick a template, customize your template, and then export your video. If you're watching this video on your phone, you can just click the link in the description below to download today. Now, let's take a look at some of the key features on the new Renderforest app. When you first enter the app, you're going to go to the landing page. The first feature that we're going to look at is animated videos. On this animated video section, you can use this for your next presentation and use text in order to use it for your animation. You can either pick scenes manually or you can pick a preset. Also, we have available the AI technology that can automatically generate for your presentation. Next is the intros and logos. You can either use your existing logo for your intro or you can create one on renderforest.com. Third, we have the slideshow maker. This is a great use for business or professional use, or if you have a slideshow you would like to use for a personal use or a school project, this is a great option for that as well. Next, we have presentations. This also includes the animation videos, but also you can use it for your own custom presentation. You can use this for business uses, personal uses, or personal project uses, even for school projects as well. Did you just drop a new single or an album? Use our music visualization tool to really bring that track to life. You can use your own graphics, your own pictures, add your song, and then let your audience see your new creation. This music visualizer is a great way to bring that new track to life. But that's not all. You're not limited to just what's on the tabs at the top. You can also search for an idea that you have in the search bar for what you want for your project. So, for example, I'm going to go to the search bar, type in the word text, and here you see we have several options for text-based animation and kinetic text options for your project. So there you have it. Once you're done creating your project, you can export it. If you're looking for high quality exports, you have two options: pay per product or use a subscription for multiple video exports. We're sure with our hundreds of templates, music tracks, stock videos and photos, you'll find something that you can use for your next project. Welcome aboard, Android users. Toot toot! We can't wait to see what you create. If you upload online, please be sure to tag or mention us. We love to see what our community creates. Oh, by the way, if you would like the app animations in the beginning of the video, we'll leave a link in the description so you can use the same template pack. Thanks for watching this product update. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe so you can get future Renderforest updates. We have a lot in store for you.